On September 12, 2024, the Chicago Police Department notified COPA of an on-duty weapons discharge at an animal. Preliminary information indicates this incident began when a Chicago police officer observed two dogs attacking a victim while patrolling the area. Here is the body cam footage of the incident.
Oh, 8444. Hold on.
8444 Elizabeth.
Yes. Oh, no, I'm not. Woo, 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 woo. Shit, hold on, wait. 34, 35, what's this, Loomis? Loomis, 8435, Racine.
You gonna have to shoot that dog.
Go ahead. 8435 Racine, I need an ambulance over here.
Gotcha, ma'am. 8435 over here. Got an ambulance.
Shit out that lady, man.
8435 Racine. There's a sergeant heading that way. 13, we have you going over there for her. 623 on the left.
Let me get an ambulance over here. Watch out.
Hit him in his ass.
Watch out, sir. Back up. 611, I have a citizen that discharged a firearm. Oh, you have a... Oh.
No, not in my car.
8435 Racine. 8435. Come on, they coming, baby. Yeah. No, it won't. And I have another one that's on the loose as well, probably going down the south. No, you fine. I got it.
I have an officer on scene right now. There was a lady with a
611, I have a point incident. We need an ambulance over here for this lady.
on 8435. What street is this? On Racine. I had to shoot two dogs.
Where the other dog go?
He went back to the back hallway.
Come on. It's another one. It's a brown dog.
That's when you shot the brown dog?
How many?
It's 3 shots. You shot this dog right here?
This dog, it's another one though. It's a bigger one.
Yeah, I see you.
This dog gonna have to go down.
620.
Gonna have to.
620, go ahead. Alright, everybody take a breath.
Somebody help me.
I'm on my way.
Help me, somebody.
They coming, ma'am. They coming.
Ma'am.
Who dog is this? Who dog do you know, ma'am? They coming.
I can't.
Get a color of the dog.
It's a great and black pit bull. It's still standing over her. I don't want to hit her.
I get somebody over to move the dog right now.
What do you do?
I'm ex-military police, but I'm a dog trainer as well. I'm also teaching Leo.
How can we move this dog without hitting her? It's sick. Ah! Get back! Yeah, I don't want to hit her though. Watch out. We gotta lure this dog away. No.
I'm just saying, that's the dog. My gun's in the car still. Hey, sir.
Step back.
I got dog trainers that are in the area as well.
He hit though.
He ain't here. Please get somebody with me.
No, I got them. They coming.
No, he ain't gonna play with us.
I promise they coming. I promise.
I'm trying to say,
Again, ambulance 30 is on the way. Let us know when they arrive, guys.
please look at something.
They're coming. They're coming.
I'm dead.
No, you not. No, you not. Don't say that. Please, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that.
But
No, you're not.
I get a hard shoulder.
Please, I can't. It's hard. So
They coming. They coming right now. Stop moving. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
592 event 02672.
I am dead.
No, you are not.
I can't. Ah, man.
Stop. I just don't want to do
Dog
that.
supposed to be getting hot. He live in that house with another dog who's too. She done got bit up, so we kind of shoot the dog.
Are you familiar with how to? Are you the owner, ma'am?
No, she's not the owner.
Okay. Oh, no, you fine.
He bit somebody last week.
This same dog?
Yeah, that one is another one. It's another dog.
So it's in the house.
Yeah,
It's a brown one.
Yeah, brown one. And it's another, and this is the black one was last week. We can get him now.
You ain't got no choice. He can't move.
I'm dead.
Stop moving!
Stop, ma'am. Don't move.
Where they at? Please,
They right here.
oh my God, I ain't never. Oh, I'm dead. Man, I need to tell you.
Woo! He hopping up.
What's your name, Lon?
It's another one right here behind you. I didn't see the visual. It's injured, but that don't mean he won't bite her. He's gonna come.
Hey, Puppy, I'll try to get attention. Puppy!
694.
Give me another one.
Be careful, man.
I don't want to get this thing.
Take that shot from here.
It's gonna have to. Yeah, I already know.
Please come
You
to
gotta put him down.
Put him down, please. I got it.
Yeah, that's next here.
694.
Please. Please.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to.
That robbery yesterday was some protected district. We got a right? Make sure I keep all that information.
611. I had to put the dog down.
The dog has
40. I might want to block that street off too.
Racing.
I got all that.
I can't.
Hit it one more time.
You should be here shortly. You got a long
Stop moving!
stand where we found them in this well.
We got another car coming.
Can you roll over here? Can you roll a little bit?
No, she can't move. Her arm is detached.
Oh, I had it. They broke it out of socket.
Somebody do something.
No, you can't drag it.
Jake,